Today we're installing a Madjax Dashboard designed for a Club Car Precedent. This is for the 2008 and newer. Included in the kit is the dashboard itself. We're going to use a carbon fiber in this installation. Also comes with 3 sets of keys. To do this, we're going to need a T25 Torx bit and a cordless drill. Now let's get started. To begin our Precedent Dash 2008 and newer installation, we're going to remove 4 factory screws from the top trim piece of your dashboard and retain. Now that we have our screws removed, we can remove our trim piece. Now we're going to take our Precedent dashboard and it's going to insert in behind the ball holder and in front of this black trim here. Once this is in place, reattach your factory trim piece. Once your trim piece is in place, you can reattach your factory trim using the factory screws we retained from earlier. Now that you have your factory trim reattached, you're now finished installing your Madjax Dashboard designed for a Club Car Precedent 2008 and newer.